Hello, brothers and sisters. Thank you again for joining me. Namaste, Om, Amitabah. Thank you for being here, for giving yourself the opportunity to discover your true being, for having the courage to not follow the rest of the world in the way of the mind that it plays, and for allowing yourself to come here in sincere wanting to discover a deeper experience with yourself and all that is. Thank you. As we continue being here, absent of thoughts, absent of emotions, just fully present, you truly taste, truly nourish the energy around you. You begin to see through layers that you didn't see before. You begin to slow down time, and eventually time just doesn't even exist. You are so present, so here, so alive, and your energy begins to really brighten. Because now you are in this physical space right here. You might be in your room, you might be in wherever you may be watching this from. You being present, you start to emanate your light, because you are only here. There is no thing blocking it with a thought, attention that goes into somewhere else. You are focused without being focused. You are doing without doing. You are truly pure peace. You start to see it all. It always made sense. It always makes sense. Things always make sense. Everything always makes sense. You have the space to see that it all makes sense now. You have the awareness to connect all the dots to see why all the things happen. Your vision has been expanded. That's what it means. That's when your conscience expands. You understand more things all at once, beyond the intellectual trying to comprehend and hold information in an intellectual way. You are actually the information itself. You become information. Energy, that's all it is. Information is light. Light-coded energy. Charged with possibilities to do anything. That's all it is. That's all information is. Information is holding the space together. Information is the light particles that are everywhere. They cannot not be everywhere. You are all of that too. And I know so many of you guys are diving deep into your hearts and sincerely starting to feel what it is to be your true self in a genuine, humble, authentic way. And is amazing. That is the true miracle that is taking place right now. That's the biggest miracle ever. Beyond like achieving any goal or achievement in the physical planes. The stars, the planets, the animals, everything is one. And you are one with it. You are one with me. You are me. You are your dad, your mom, your cousins, your best friends, your teachers, the people that trigger you. You are all of them. We're all one. And it is only the personal thought that gives it any other meaning or reality or possibility. But the truth is still the truth. So thank you for being a warrior of truth, a spirit of truth, a heart of truth, for shining your light courageously and walking in this world with your heart on your sleeve and your words of integrity and love and respect and gratitude. And this is getting really easy down here in this physical world. We're embodying the higher self here. We're not just going to that place in out of the body sense. We are actually grounding the higher planes, your true self, pure conscious awareness that all of it is. It's like a taurine. It's going in and then out and then in it and then out. It's like comes out and then it comes in. Your love, your pure awareness comes out. What comes in is your gratitude, your peace, your tranquility, your love, your bliss. And of course there's challenges. Of course it's not all perfect, and you can also be enlightened, and you can also awaken and fall back to sleep. So it is every day you have to be present. You have to, it's your attention's gonna get shifted into one or the other. One or the other. So either you will it into being present, focus, and paying attention and actually taking just a little heart responsibility and not give in so much to the gravitational pull of the collective conscience, personal, dimensional worlds that we keep entering into. Those are all contracts of agreements to when you communicate with someone. You are joining their energy. You're joining their awareness, their frequency, their box, versus them joining you. Hold space in the more expanded you, in your clear you, and therefore you will also create the best you for you and for everyone around you. Everyone will love you. Trust yourself. Trust. I know it feels shaky and kind of rough sometimes to speak your truth and really stay to your core integrity. I know we all feel each other's energies. You can almost sense how people will reject you, or they just won't understand you. They're not ready to get that, but their energy field is going to definitely feel a disconnect when you express yourself in your truest way. It's normal. They will go through their awakening process, and they're seeing it through you. You're helping them shift out of the personal identification, communication, relationships, and you will enter the heart community and communications, being able to communicate now through the heart, being able to communicate now your purest words, to where sometimes you don't even gotta say words, people already get you. I get all of you guys. So thank you guys. My love and respect is always with you guys. Love you guys so much. And Amitabah, Namaste. All is love. Peace be with you. Om.